How to unprotect Excel worksheet with file extension, xlsx, without a password. But, before I show you how to unprotect an Excel file, we need a file to work with. So why don't we just go to a known website and just download our password-protected file? Let's download this file. Get chart template. Done. Now that we downloaded this file, why don't I show you everything that is protected, then we will come back to this, and you will see that it will be unprotected. I like to show proof that this really works. Now we will go to the Grant Chart Pro tab. Let's try and delete this information. Can't. It's a protected sheet. Now, let's get down to business. First, we need to make a copy of this file in case we do something wrong. Now, let's rename the extension to ZIP. Select Yes. Now, let's extract this file. Open up workbook.xml file with an editor like Notepad++. Notepad++ is free on the web. I'm using Ultra Edit. Let's search for Protect. Here's what we are looking for. It's this tag, Workbook Protection. It has an open and close tag. The information we want to delete is between the open and close tags. Now let's search in the other files. Open the Worksheets folder. You can open one of these files at a time, or open all of them at the same time. For this project we will be searching through all of them. It's a good idea to search through all of these files. Here we found the Sheet Protection tag. Now look for the open and close tags. In Sheet 1, it will look something like this one. Just delete everything between the open and closed tags. Now let's search and delete these open and closed protection tags for the rest of the sheet files. We are all done. Now let's go back to the main files and folders. What we are going to do next is zip up all the files and folders. To do this, just right-click on your mouse button, then select Send to, then select Compressed Zipped Folder. I'm just going to rename the file to Grant Chart. Let's change the extension back to xlsx. Let's check it out. Select Review. Then select Protect Sheet. It worked. Let's try Protect Workbook. It worked. Now let's start deleting some text from a once protected workbook. Now it's your turn. In the box below this video is a link to a different protected Excel file on the same website where I got this one. I want you to try what I did, and I want you to see in person that this works. So please try this and let me know in the comments below how you did. And again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.